Hey guys, so just got done cutting the grass with the Craftsman mower. So I thought I'd just do a video on winterizing this lawnmower. So basically what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to put this up, that way I can just start it. But before I do, I'm just going to explain to you on what I'm going to do. So basically I'm going to start the mower, and then I'm going to turn the fuel valve off, because this particular mower does have a fuel shut-off valve. Just have it running, and I'll turn the fuel valve off, which it'll just run out the residual gas that's in the fuel lines and then into the carburetor, and pretty much that's just all you have to do. And then I'm going to top off the gas tank with some gas. It's best to store these with a full tank of gas, because that will prevent condensation from forming into the gas tank. Now, if your lawnmower does not have a fuel shut-off valve, some people would suggest just run it all out till the mower just stops. Some people will just actually siphon out all the gas out of the tank. And sometimes it's just okay. It just won't hurt. Just leave it stored with gas in the tank, just as long as you put fuel stabilizer in it, just so that way the gas won't gunk up the carburetor. Gas is only good for 30 days. So basically, when storing it for the winter, I would recommend using fuel stabilizer, which basically I use Seafoam. Seafoam will actually stabilize the fuel. It will stabilize it for up to 2 years. Alright, so let me set the camera down. I got this just to lock down the bail. This was just running because I just mowed with it. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the gas on. It's probably going to take a couple minutes, though, for it to die. Starting to surge there. and that's it. And there's just, now I just gotta clean it all up. There's one more thing that I'll show you on what to do, which I'll get back to you on that. I just gotta let it cool off. Alright, so this thing is cooled off for about maybe an hour or so. So basically the next thing we need to do is fog the engine. So in order to do that, we just need to take the spark plug out of the mower. So we'll do that. I don't think I can do this one-handed. Alright, I got the spark plug loosened, so I can just get it off by hand. While we have the spark plug off, we'll just check it and see how it looks. If I can get this, there we go. Spark plug is still looks pretty good, not too bad. Alright, so now we'll do the fog the engine. Where's my... Alright, we're going to use Deep Creep, which Deep Creep you can also use it to fog the engine with. There's also fogging oil too, which is also in like an aerosol can like this, or you can also use WD-40. Okay, looks like I need to get all prepared here. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray the Deep Creep into the cylinder. I'm going to hold it for about maybe 2 to 3 seconds. Alright, that should be good enough. And then we're going to crank over the engine slowly with the spark plug out of the engine, basically just to coat the cylinder. Help keep the cylinder lubricated, the piston, and the piston rings too. Just do this a few times, do it real slowly. If you do it real fast, then all the stuff will just fly out of the cylinder. So just real slowly. And we'll give it just one more little crank. Alright, that should be good enough. And since this spark plug still looks pretty good, it's been in the engine for about 1.5 years. So for these Honda engines, it uses a NGK BPR 6ES. I know you really can't see that. My camera can't really focus on close-ups like this. Alright, so this thing is pretty much all winterized now. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. So, thanks for watching.